Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off the device and clearing the workspace. This prevents accidental taps or static. Once done, examine the protector under a bright light to locate halo rings, trapped dust, or edge lifting. Those are the causes. Use a microfiber, dust stickers, a soft squeegee, and 70% plus isopropyl. You should also check for screen curvature and protector type. Rigid tempered glass behaves differently versus thin film. Now position the phone with the screen facing up and get ready to act. You gently lift one corner of the protector, peeling slowly so you don't bend it. Use tape or a card if adhesive resists. Then clean the bare screen thoroughly with 70% plus isopropyl on a microfiber, wiping in one direction to avoid streaks. This removes oils that create halos. Once clean, apply the hinge method. Tape one side, align the opposite edge, and lower slowly while smoothing from the center outward with a squeegee to expel air and reseat adhesive. You now squeegee from the center to each edge with firm, even pressure to push out remaining bubbles and any halo. This compresses adhesive and improves optical contact. If a particle remains, lift the nearest edge, use a dust sticker to remove it, then reseat that area. Make sure to re-squeegee afterward. Finally, inspect the screen at multiple angles under bright light to confirm halos are gone and test touch responsiveness. If halos persist, replace the protector. Old adhesive or warped glass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.